Hey guys, this is a 2019 XLT Sport Ford F150. It's got the 2.7 EcoBoost with the 10-speed transmission. Literally just picked it up from the dealership. It is completely bone stock as you see it. Excellent looking truck. Comes with the 20-inch rims, 10-speed auto transmission, and right in straight jet black color. The reason I went with this truck was because I needed a good commuter truck for work. I also do a little bit of hauling and I do some landscaping on the side. I wanted something that was reliable, something that looked classy. I really like the sport package because it gives you a little bit of the creature comforts inside, and it also has the power towing capabilities that I needed. The truck is good to tow 7,500 pounds, once it's broken of course. Comes with the inbox lighting and the spray-in bed liner from Ford. Also, as you can see, back window, it's got the nice sliding back window. Comes with the trailer hitch assembly and the 4-pin and 7-pin plug. So depending on what trailer you got set up, you can use both. Inside the truck, you see you got the nice console shifter, leather wrapped steering wheel, comes with heated seats. Also opted to get the rubber floor liners from Ford, which was nice. They threw those in for me because I told them that I do a lot of landscaping, so that's going to help try and keep the inside of the truck nice and clean. I went with the Super Crew cab, and if you come around the back here, I'll show you. Super Crew has a ton of room for stuff. I'm a firefighter, so I also go between stations, which means I have to carry my gear with me. As you can see, there's a pair of fire boots in there. But I'm also transporting guys for landscape jobs. I'm also transporting my family. I've got a daughter on the way. So as you can see, nice big seats. Gonna be able to accommodate having a child seat in the back, and most important to me was having enough space in between the driver's seat and the back seat so that I'm not getting kicked once they get bigger. And overall, I wanted a truck that was reliable, was really safe. I kind of laughed because I got my insurance quote on the truck and it was actually cheaper than my old car because the safety rating is so good on these trucks, and that was important to me being a family man, having a kid on the way. So yeah, overall, that's the way she looks, picked up from the dealership. Bone stock, it's in the agate black color. You can see in the sport model they go for this kind of monochrome look, but then they gray out the grille a little bit just to give it some style. Really happy with it so far, and we're gonna make some mods to it along the way. Maybe do an air intake, an exhaust, some bed, like a tonneau cover, something like that. And just customize it a little bit and give it some personal style. All right, more to come.
I'm excited. We got a new vehicle on the channel. We got a new build. We're gonna have new sponsors. Blackview's going in, as you already know. Oh, stay tuned. Drive safe, take care, behave, as always. And I just wanted to give a shout out to today's sponsor. We've got Blackview dash cams. We are going to be installing a DR590W2 channel. I will be doing a full comparison on all the cameras once it is installed, but it is just such a peace of mind thing. You spend your hard-earned money on such a nice vehicle. You want it to maintain and perform, and you don't want to get hit in parking lots. You don't want to get caught in funky tickets that aren't your fault, but without the video evidence, you have no way to counter it. So huge shout out to Blackview. Follow along, this will be getting installed.